Hello. Hi, Anand. Welcome to Vision Board.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Devi. Thank you so
I
much for
think,
the precious
can you
gift that.
give that gift also to our audience? Our constancy winner. Constancy. Okay. I'm really happy to get like your hard work put lot of things, right? I'm also really happy to sharing this with you.
Actually, Devi, because of your encouragement and your guidance that I have
Because,
passed the DP 203, and
yeah.
also every day I'm studying and investing the time in learning.
Yeah, it is very good, and because you have also a bright future, right? In the coming days, if you invest some more time in your learning, it will be more better rather than we are sitting idle. It is really great.
Thank you. Thank.
Yeah, I'm also really happy. Okay, give me 1 minute. This is enough. Actually, I'm sharing. So, next, I think we will announce this constancy group is needed, right? Every time it will encourage a lot of people. Maybe one thing completed, we can come into the next constancy team. I think I'm planning to that one. We can expect to soon.
Yes, Devi, I have the question that in our vision course that you have scheduled
Yeah,
that
yeah.
you are putting the Azure Databricks in that.
Yeah, I will put it. Give me 1 minute and just give me 1 minute.